Another broken wire mapper. It's my third one in 18 months. Can you believe it?
Wow, that's a lot of wiremappers.
Yeah, and I lost the rest of today's work program. So I'm on Amazon trying to find another one. I've got Prime. Hopefully it'll arrive tomorrow. At least I'll get a new one.
Yeah, I just replaced mine.
Yours broke too? Oh, you just cannot rely on these no-name brands.
Too right, that's why I don't buy them. No, my old Trend wiremapper's working just fine.
Well, why get a new one?
Well, I wanted to upgrade to their latest VDV II model. It's got Trend Anywhere Cloud, so I can create PDF reports.
Won't that cost a few $100s more than mine?
Yeah, but the difference between that one and mine is that both mine are working. If you think about it, you've gone through 3 of those in the last 18 months? Well, my other older Trend wiremapper's still working after 3 years. So that's like buying 6 years. Buy cheap, buy twice, or in your case, buy 6 times.
Wish mine did that.
Yep. Work to do, gotta go.
Cheap. Brad. Hey, Brad. How about lending me that old Trend wiremapper of yours? Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.